Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber and my name is Gladys and I love planting vegetables, and this is why I decided to start planting vegetables. Months ago, I had to stop working because of my shoulder injury giving me so much trouble. I am a sheep and beef farmer. I love my job, but it was so heavy duty for me to deal with for my shoulder anyways. So I was bored and just too bored in the house, and I decided to start planting my own vegetables. Of course, I love gardening. That's why also I decided to start because it's one of my hobbies to do planting vegetables, growing my own food. But I haven't grown so much food like I've just done for the last since end of last year. I've grown so much that I enjoy just looking at my garden every single day. Anyways, the reason why I started was because of my shoulder injury, but also because I needed to save money because I'm not working and I was not working, if that makes sense. But not just that, but also to just grow your own organic food at home and you choose what you put on your plants. In the supermarket, vegetables are good, but they put a lot of chemicals on them, most of the food in the supermarket. And when you want to buy organic food, they are expensive. So I decided to grow them myself by using boxes, using pots, anything I can. And all these build up gardens, I use free timber from the farm. My father in law and my husband helped me to build them, which was more fun. You don't need a bigger space to plant your own vegetables. You can use the material you have. You can use boxes, you can use containers, and vegetables, as long as you look after them, they grow really good. And that's what I did from the start. And I'm enjoying it. I enjoy looking at it. And I've been also watching videos on YouTube from people who have more knowledge about planting, about gardening, like Empik Garden and also other YouTubers, and I love learning from them. I'm using all their tips to grow my own vegetables. So if you want to learn, let's learn together. And remember, you can use whatever you want to grow your vegetables. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.